Working on a 97 F250 HD, doing the transmission filter and gasket replacement along with the neutral safety switch, which is on the side of the transmission right here. 10mm takes these pan belts loose, and this doesn't have a drain plug, so we'll see how this goes. Well, we got some drippage. A chicken just walked on my leg. You know what I should do? I should drill a hole and put a drain plug in it. That would be smart, wouldn't it? Like right here. Drain fluid looks pretty good. So I'm not going to drain the fluid out of the torque converter. Fluid looks pretty good. Yep. Hey Tim, can you hand me a rag? One of the, I think it's the second drawer on the bottom of the toolbox. There should be another box. Oh no. Slowly let it down.
Hold on, bring your set up. It's on film.
Let that drain for a little bit. Should have got it on video because that just got all over my face.
Well, I'm recording now.
Damn. Filter or gasket is super crunchy. Yeah, definitely need to put a drain plug on that thing. Cameraman's got 4 arms. Power torque, filter, and gasket from O'Reilly's. That with the old and then with the new. I need that pick. That gasket right there. Oh, the new one comes with it. Hey, that's the new gasket right there. Just slide her back up in there. Pops in just like that. I wonder if transmission fluid's good for my beard. What do you think, cameraman? New gasket, filter and gasket comes with, or not with, but you know, together. And that almost looks like the wrong one. Maybe not though. Because that would be silly. Nope, that's right. That's right. Alright. Let's get the pan back over here. We'll put the gasket on it.
Clean it.
We gotta figure out how to beep. Cause I don't know if I could work on things without having to cuss. How'd that magnag look, Tim? Does it have a bunch of crusties on it? It's fine. Spray it in my face. It's fine. I love brake cleaner in my mouth.
It's good for your soul.
It's like Roto-Rooter.
Nothing else cleans it, brake cleaner will.
And if nothing else fixes it,
Duct tape will.
duct tape will.
Here at Old Good Shade Tree Mechanic Tree.
Mag.
Put it in the hole.
Back in the hole. I like French fries on my biscuits. It would really help if I could turn over in here, I can't move. Like a monkey trying to screw a football over here. Mag in the bottom of the pan. Got a couple of bolts right here. There's one. Son of a nutcracker. Start cussing like Will Ferrell and Elf.
Oh, hold on. Come down. Go down.
It's a strip from my eye. It's in my eye. It's fine.
Hey, dear. Will you hand me a rag? My arm is on fire. You see my free 99 ring I got? The transmission filter.
So when you're somebody as big as Tim and you can't find a ring in your size because you got size, gorilla hands.
Oh, is it going to be a funny YouTube channel?
You got size gorilla hands. The trans filter neck gasket will fit. I need to look up what the torque is on these. I need to get my cute little torque beeper. Hey Tim.
What?
If you look in the top box, at the top of the box, there's a little black box. Blue letter says Quinn on it. Should be in the back right of that box.
Here you go, cameraman.
And also look up what the torque specs on this are for me.
What year?
97.
HD.
Yep.
Ten to 12.
Oh, that was close. Well, that's done. We're going to torque these to 12 pounds.
What are you doing?
Alright, changing the neutral safety switch, which is right here. I'm going to need a 16, or no, 5/16 and a 15.
No, Alan likes the red ones. He said we can eat the white one. That's the only one.
Yeah, you can eat the white chicken.
And that's gonna sit here.
Yeah, that one right there is cool.
Oh, there, guys. Sitting over there eating pizza.
Have you guys seriously been eating pizza?
Yes, pizza.
Yeah, pizza, chicken loves pizza.
What?
See that giant wasp nest right there?
Mm-hmm.
There used to be wasps in that. Wasps. wasp species. See? Yeah, that's cool.
Wasps.
That would be great.
What? Take the plug off.
I know.
Oh yeah. Old one. New one. Same thing. O'Reilly's Master Pro. No, I haven't put any transmission fluid in it yet. I just figured I'd go ahead and do this while I was already down here. This thing sat up for, what, 4 years? 2 years? Something like that.
Something.
Tighten these up so I can You know what I want for Christmas, cameraman? One of those battery-powered, rigid, ratchet wrenches. Harbor Freight makes one, I think. Hercules. Sorry, cameraman. Alright, we're done with that. Now we can go up top and put some tranny fluid in there. That's not what she said. Where's my wife? A little bit of Lucas stop slip. Give it a little love. I'll put it in there, and I like buying this because it also makes a good funnel.
Does it have?
Oh, you just didn't have any transmission fluid.
I probably don't have a transmission now.
Well, I put a gallon in 2 quarts, so that's 6 quarts of transmission fluid I put in it.
Thanks.
Just stab myself in the hand, it's fine.
You might lose it this time.
I know, last time I did that, you know, I literally almost died in the hospital.
That's true.
I know it's true.
It really happened. It's happening! I feel like that guy from that Sea Boys video. Always flipping his knife. What's his name?
CJ?
CJ. We should have a knife competition. I'm pretty sure this thing calls for six quarts. But since we didn't drain the torque converter, I don't know what that was. really wish they would make a handle right here. You set it up here, it needs to be right here. So that doesn't happen. I'll spill it everywhere. Now it's gonna smell like burnt transmission fluid.
6 to 8 quarts.
So I'm gonna put 3 in it.
No. 6 to 8 quarts just doing the pan and filter replacement.
Oh, good thing I got 4.
If you do everything with the torque converter, it's 18 quarts.
That's a lot of damage.
Hi, Connor.
That's cameraman. Can I get that cord out of the Durango?
What quart?
The cord that's in the engine bay. Actually, I might have some in the shop shed. What did I drop down that hole? Was it the lid to that?
Perhaps.
Probably. It'll be fine. This truck's made this long. I mean, all the wash nest and dirt dauber nest that was down in yonder. The Sasquatch. We spotted Bigfoot, cameraman.
Say something else is big.
What, your feet?
No, don't point at me.
Your feet? Your feet are big. Your hands are big. We already discussed that.
So he's got big shoes, big socks, and big gloves.
What else does that mean?
He has big hands.
Hey. It's a nice handprint you got on the back of your leg. I should get that tattooed.
Ciao.
Cut out. So that was 5 quarts.
Alright, 6 quarts.
Now I gotta go find some more transmission fluid.
That was 6 quarts. That
What's
big one
5?
should be 5 quarts.
It was a gallon. A gallon is 4 quarts.
It's 4 quarts in a gallon.
What, Connor?
I'm gonna go find some more training fluid. Transmission fluid.
Well,
Maybe it's transmission fluid. It's red, so maybe it's not blood. Since I spilled some, well, that is terrible. Look at that, it's like a spider web. Let's spray some of that off because O'Reilly needs to make the handle for the transmission fluid bottle on the side instead of the top. Check the transmission fluid at the park on this. He's good. Right at the full mark. far it was shifting hard from third to fourth. So we're in third now. Well, it didn't shift hard. How about them apples? All the temps are good. It's good to me. Hello, kid. Go to Dollar General and get everybody some Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper and whatever else it was. What else did he say?
Oh no.
Sprite Zero. Just shifting out pretty good. Feels smooth. I think I need to get a throttle position sensor. But it's pretty good for a woods find. Didn't need that much work. Brakes are still a little squishy. Alright. See y'all on the next one. That's still shifting a little hard. So I think I'm going to grease the yoke that goes into the drive shaft and the differential. Maybe that'll smooth it out some.